on the M109R. It's got the standard light bulb in here, and it's okay, but I want the LED and see how we go from there. I'm installing this LED motorcycle headlamp onto the Boulevard M109. I'm just going to take these screws out. Well, I've already taken that screw out, and that one from here, and see how we go. I'll keep you posted. So far, it was mostly these two clip-ons here and here that I just had to take off by pushing the head in, which looks like this. Just push the middle of the head in, and then this just popped off. Now I'm going to do a couple of screws, undo a couple of screws here and here. A bit dark for you, but you'll see it and see how we go. Taking the head off, it's actually really easy. You'll be surprised how easy it was. And then I just detached this connector here, which connected to the old bulb. I'm just going to take that old bulb out and stick in this LED. Let's see if I can do that now actually. It was a plug and play, easy. And I'll turn the bike on. Wow, that's pretty bright. That's high beam, that's low beam. Alright, that's where we're up to so far. To take the old bulb out, it's really just this clip here you undo, like that, and voila, that's the old bulb. And now I'm going to go place this bulb in instead of that one. So here are the other attachments that come in the pack, and I'll see which one fits. I found the attachment, which is this one here, and all you need to do is undo the screw here, and then this just comes off. Take that off, and you slide that one on, and then do the screw up down here. That's right. Where's the screw? Oh, here it is there. So just push it down and make it fit somehow. Oh, I've got it on the wrong way. That way. There you go. Do the screw up, and then we should be able to mount it to the headlight. That was definitely tricky getting that clip in. I had to use this skinny tool here, wire stripper, to get a grip of that and kind of maneuver it around and clip it in. Maybe I should have taken the case out. It only took like 3 minutes to get the clip around, but I could have damaged the wiring as I was going around it, so just one thing to be careful of. I've now connected the LED light to the bike connector. Let's turn it on. Oh man, okay, so that looks good. And then high beam. Alright, so you can't tell from here, but it looks really good so far. You might be able to hear the fan on the LED housing. That's the fan cooling it down. Finally got the LED installed properly and put the casing back on. In a previous YouTube, I had mentioned about installing temporarily this spotter light by using a 9-volt battery that I just connected at the back here through some cables. Hardwired it to this bulb's wiring using connectors like this. Really good because you just put the wires parallel to each other then push the blade down and then clip it and it's done. So I'll just turn it on, the bike, and look at that. I mean, it just lights up the garage and it's really powerful. I'll turn the garage light off and you'll see how bright that is. It's wicked. It's really good. I'm gonna go for a test drive. Hope that helped. Well, this is the LED effect on these trees. Certainly a brighter color than the original bulb. I'm happy with it. I am looking at the HID. Apparently they are brighter. So you've got your standard bulb, your LED, and your HID. So I'll check them out later. Hope that helps.